Raquel Welch Sheer Luxury Collection introduces 4 new styles, all featuring our LUXLITE cap, a lightweight, streamlined work of art. Smooth transitions connect the sheerest, most resilient modern materials for the look and feel of a lower density wig. With no bulky borders or ridges, there's nothing to stop you from achieving the look you love. The beauty of the LUXLITE cap is the uniform progression, from the temple-to-temple lace front to the hand-tied top and along the sides. These smooth transitions allow the hair to move freely and to lay close to the head for a gorgeous, low-density effect. Silicone coverings on the ear tabs and nape provide added security and can easily be removed if desired. The LUXLITE cap has a petite average circumference and special stretch fabrics that accommodate most head sizes. A less complex construction means a more natural look, with hair that falls beautifully and moves freely. Discover the new Sheer Luxury Collection by Raquel Welch, because when less is more is magnificent.